Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. Today we are gonna learn window functions in SQL. What are the window functions, what are the types and why to use this window functions. Now let's get started. So what is a window function in SQL? Window functions in SQL helps us to perform calculations across a set of rows where it also related to the current row without collapsing rows like are grouped by dash. Now let us see some of the key points. The Windows function uses over clause. They use the over clause. They return the value for the each row, not in a grouped rows. Commonly, it is very useful for calculating rankings, running totals, and moving averages, etc. Now let's see a real-time example. Here I'm gonna start with window function. First, the Windows functions are of three types. They are row number, rank, and tens rank. Now I'm gonna start with row number. So for that, first I'm selecting ID, name, salary, and at last department. Don't forget to add your comma symbol after this. Then next line I am retrieving ID, name, and salary and department. So these are the things I have inserted in the value. So I am selecting the select statement for ID, name, salary and department. Here next line. So in the first line I have written as retrieving select ID, name, salary and department. And in next line I have to use this function as row number. Here first function I am using is row number. This is simple and always focus to understand it. Row number, you have to put it in after row number. You have to add a open brackets, open and close brackets, over, next again open bracket, order by whatever you want to find. Here I want to find salary, so salary descent. Next you have to close, next as whatever your function you are using as row number. Here I have used row number, so keep in mind of row number. So the syntax is very easy. You have to select your data and you have to use the row function, row number function, open bracket, close bracket, over. Next we have to order by salary in ascending, and at last whatever function I'm using, I'm giving it as row number, and at last from the table name. From my table name is employee, so from table. If you select and highlight it, now you can able to get the output as by order by salary descending, right? So I'll be getting the output as in descending order. Descending order means from greater to smaller, right? So I'll be getting from 2 1. Here you can see the ID is from 2 and 1. All this will be reversed because we have given the condition as descending, right? The first one you have to retrieve this, then we have to use the function over. In that you have to order it as, and you have to use as function, and at last from employee. Next we are gonna see another function known as rank. This is the second function, rank. Here also the same syntax, only the change here is you have to change only the function names. Here also I am copying and pasting the same line for the first one. Select ID, name, salary and department. Next line what you have to write, rank, your function name. Here also rank, open bracket and close bracket. Next the same syntax you have to write, over, order by, salary, descending as. Now the change will be as rank. So I hope now you understood about the row number, rank, and next also will be the same. Only the thing you have to change is your that pink one, that is the row, that is your function name. And at last next line from table name as employee. Here I also wanted the salary to be descending from employee, so I am typing it as my table name. After this don't forget to add your semicolon. Now the syntax is quite easier. The only thing you have to keep in mind is what function for rank or row number, rank and tens rank, whatever you have to use, you have to keep in mind. So if I highlight and if I execute it, now you can able to see the outputs also in descending format. Since I have entered it as order by salary descending as salary rank, here I will be getting the another column. In the previous also I got the another column as row numbers. Down you can able to see the output. Here if I execute, now you can able to see the descending, the ID also in 2 and next I have got the another column at last as salary rank. Now let us see third function, which is known as dense rank. This is the last function. All these three are together called as window function. First one is row number, second one is rank, and at last the third one is dense rank. Now for this also the same syntax, only the change what you have to do is you have to change instead of row number and rank it as dense number in the place of row number and rank. So this is quite easier, and also I'm using over in an open bracket order by whatever you want, you have to give it and descending. Here I want salary descending as what you will be giving here, you will be giving as dense rank, since because our function is dense rank, so I will be giving it as dense rank. And at last from the table name, from my table name is employee, so I am giving, and don't forget to add your semicolon. Now you have to highlight and execute it. If you execute it, you can able to get the salary as descending order, and also you can able to see another column as dense rank. I hope now you are able, all these three are same. The only difference here is all the three has the same syntax, but only the change you have to make is to change the function name, because all are similar to each other. First we have to retrieve it by using select statement. After that you have to use your function name. Row number means row number, dense rank means dense rank. I hope now you understood about the window functions of rank, dense rank and row number. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you.